Inspiration can be gotten anywhere, and I'm sure getting my inspiration out here. It is absolutely beautiful. It's snowing in my home up in the Washington, D.C. area, but I'm down here enjoying my family, and sand gives me inspiration, shells give me inspiration, people's voices, relaxation, just enjoying myself.
So as I look at the ocean and I feel the waves coming up onto my toes, even though I'm away from home, I feel like I am at home because that's the way the beach makes me feel. So I decided to bring in a painting that reminded me of a lot of water, the beach, the sand, and just use the inspiration of how I felt at the beach to just paint. So what I'm using is a canvas with a lot of the golden high flows. There's titanium white, there's different blues, there's different yellows, sand colors. I really want to encourage people to use the colors they have or use colors they like. There I'm putting on black, but I'm using a lot of water, a lot of spray. I'm using different brushes. I'm using a fan brush, and I am just playing on the canvas, allowing the inspiration of just thinking of the water flowing up on the sand and how it puddles in different places and just how it makes me feel. And I'm just allowing that to happen while I'm painting. Even though I have this on fast speed, the lesson that I want to get across here is not always to copy what I'm doing, but allow yourself to feel in your paintings. Allow yourself just to apply paint and let inspiration take over. It doesn't matter if your painting doesn't look beautiful when you're done. You can always keep adding, you can always change a painting, but if you don't take the risks, if you don't allow inspiration to happen when you are creating, you will not create authentically you, if that makes sense. So that's what this lesson is about, inspiration and allowing inspiration just to take over when you are putting down paint, adding brush strokes, and just allowing yourself to paint from within and enjoy yourself. I am away still from my home studio. I'm still down close to my father who had the heart attack, and he's working hard to just enjoy the days that he has left. I don't know how many days he has left. Medication is wonderful. It's helping him, but there are a lot of challenges. And I've even come over to spend some time with my son and his wife and my grandkids. So I've mentioned before how healing art is. And even though there are a lot of things going on in my life right now that have made me sad, when I do sit down and paint, or when I even watch somebody else paint, just paint heals. Art heals. And I hope that you're able to find that outlet in your personal journey with your art. I get a lot of messages from people that tell me they're going through things and they won't pick up a paintbrush because they just can't. And I encourage people to do whatever they can do when it comes with times like that, because painting and creating, when you're a creative, is almost like breathing. And if you don't create and you don't take time to heal your soul in some way, then it's harder for you. So I encourage you to do what you can to even take a walk on the beach, paint. I'm in a different studio. I'm not in my home studio, and it makes it even harder for me to even create a video. But I wanted to get this message out because it was on my heart, and I know how important it is.